Welcome to Lana English Channel.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Lana English Podcast, the place where learning English feels fun, friendly, and just a little bit silly. I'm Lana.
And I'm Jack. And oh, wow, we are so happy you're here with us again today. Really, give yourself a clap right now.
Yes, you came back. That means you're not only learning, you're consistent. And that is something to be proud of.
Absolutely. Consistency is the secret ingredient. And if this is your very first time listening, welcome.
We're so glad you found us. And hey, do us a favor, subscribe to the Lana English channel.
Yeah, hit that button like it's the snooze button on your alarm clock. But don't actually go back to sleep.
Yes, stay awake because today's episode is going to be full of useful tips.
Okay, listeners, quick request. Before we start, grab a pen and a notebook. Seriously, because today we want you to write down the tips we share. Writing makes it stick.
Exactly. So pause if you need to, get your notebook, then come back.
Ready? Perfect. Today's lesson is all about how to train your brain and your mouth to speak English.
Because let's be honest, sometimes your brain knows the word, but your mouth just doesn't cooperate.
Yep, your brain says, say restaurant, and your mouth says, food place.
It happens. So today, we'll help you connect your brain and your mouth with simple exercises, daily habits, and fun challenges.
And remember, if you missed our last episode, go listen to it after this one. We talked about how to talk to yourself in English. It sounds funny, but it's one of the best tricks to practice speaking.
Okay, let's dive in. Let's start with your brain. Speaking English begins in the mind.
Yes, and here's the problem. Many learners still translate in their head. They think in their native language, then try to find English words, then try to speak.
That's 3 steps. Too slow.
It's like trying to run a race while carrying a heavy backpack. You're moving, but slowly.
So, how do we train the brain? The first tip is think in English every day, even with small words.
Start simple. Choose 5 objects around you. Phone, keys, shoes, bag, water. Every time you see them, say the English word.
For example, I pick up my phone and say, phone. This is my phone. I need my phone.
Or with shoes. These are my shoes. My shoes are black. I like my shoes.
No translation, just English.
You can also make it a game. Look around the room and try to name everything in English.
Like table, chair, window, plant, light. It's like being a tour guide in your own room.
Yes, and if you don't know a word, write it in your notebook. Later, look it up and add it to your English brain.
Another brain training exercise. Narrate your actions.
Oh yes, like I'm opening the fridge. I'm drinking water. I'm sitting down.
It feels a little funny at first, but your brain gets used to forming sentences in English.
Now let's move on to the mouth. Because even if your brain knows the word, your mouth sometimes refuses to say it correctly.
Ha ha ha! Yes! Common example 3. Many learners say tree.
Or clothes. People say close or cloths.
So we need to train the mouth like a little workout.
Exactly. Tip 1, practice the TH sound. Put your tongue between your teeth, blow air, and say V.
Let's try. V. 3. Everyone listening, repeat with us. V. 3.
Good. Now let's try a tongue twister. 33 thirsty thieves.
Oh no, Jack, you go first.
Okay. 33 thirsty thieves. Whew, not too bad.
Nice. Okay, my turn. 33 thirsty thieves. Whew, that's tricky.
It is, but it's great exercise for the mouth.
Another tip, exaggerate sounds when you practice. Stretch the words like chewing gum. For example, hello, thank you.
It feels silly, but it helps your mouth learn new movements.
Also, record yourself. Say a word and then listen. Do you sound clear? If not, practice again.
Your phone is your pronunciation coach.
Now the big question, how do we connect the brain and the mouth?
One powerful method, shadowing.
Yes, shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating immediately, like an echo.
For example, the audio says, I'm going to the park. You repeat right away, I'm going to the park.
Don't wait. Don't translate. Just copy.
At first, it feels too fast, but your brain and mouth start working together like dance partners.
It's like karaoke, but with English sentences instead of songs.
And trust me, you'll improve much faster with shadowing.
Okay, let's add some daily habits. These are small but powerful.
Habit 1, morning English. Say 3 sentences out loud every morning.
For example, good morning. I'm happy today. I will learn English.
Habit 2, mini diary. Write 1 or 2 sentences about your day, then read them aloud.
Example, I cooked dinner. I watched a movie. I studied English.
Habit 3, talk to your pet or plant. Yes, really.
I sometimes talk to my plant. I say, hello, plant. How are you?
And the plant thinks, wow, Lana's pronunciation is improving.
The point is, speak English daily, even if nobody's listening.
But let's be honest, some days we just don't feel like it.
Oh yes, the lazy days. They happen to everyone.
Here's the trick. Do something tiny, even 1 sentence.
Yes, for example, today is sunny. Done. That's enough to keep the habit alive.
It's like watering a plant. Even a little water keeps it alive.
And remember, mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are signs of progress.
Think of a baby learning to walk. They fall, but they keep going.
So don't stop. Be proud of every mistake. It means you're learning. All right, friends, it's time for this week's challenge.
Yes, here it is. For the next 7 days, speak 1 new sentence in English every day.
Start small. Day 1, I like coffee. Day 2, I like coffee in the morning. Day 3, I like coffee in the morning, but I prefer tea at night.
See, step by step, your sentences grow.
And if you record yourself, you'll hear your improvement by day 7.
Share your sentences with a friend or just be proud of them yourself.
Want even more? Try reading children's books.
Yes, the sentences are short, simple, and natural.
Or watch cartoons. They're slower and easier to understand.
And don't forget songs. Sing along. Even if you sound funny, it's pronunciation practice.
Just maybe not in the library.
Yeah, the librarian will not be impressed.
Okay, friends, that's all for today's episode, How to Train Your Brain and Your Mouth to Speak English.
We hope you got some new tips, some laughs, and a notebook full of ideas.
And don't forget to check our previous episodes for more English tricks.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, come on, hit that button and join our little English family at the Lana English channel.
We'll be back next time with more fun, more tips, and more encouragement.
Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, we're proud of you.
Bye.